Information Technology University, located in Lahore, the heart of Pakistan, was established 4 years ago. ITU offers multidisciplinary education to a new generation of innovators and entrepreneurs. Currently housed at Arfa Software Technology Park's iconic building on Firozpur Road, ITU has state-of-the-art facilities, a well-stocked library, high-tech laboratories, modern lecture theatres, fully equipped research centres, auditoriums and incubation centres. ITU is offering bachelor's, master's and PhD programs in computer science, data science, electrical engineering, development technology and policy, business management and technology, and economics with data science. The university's admission acceptance rate is only 2.28%, and it has been ranked in the W category by the National Computing Education and Accreditation Council. All programs at ITU are recognized by the Pakistan Engineering Council, the National Computing Education Accreditation Council, the Higher Education Commission, and the Punjab Higher Education Commission as well. The first class of students began their journey at ITU in 2012 with the university's Masters in Computer Science program. Undergraduate programs launched in 2013. Currently, 63% of the university's student body is studying on scholarships.
मुझे 1.5 साल हो गया इस यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ते हुए और मेरे सारे ड्यूज़ यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ से पे किए जा रहे हैं.
PhD research of doctoral students is being supported fully by the university. ITU is proud of its foreign qualified faculty which is leading innovation on campus. In addition to innovative research, ITU has published over 465 research papers in 4 years. Research initiatives at ITU seek to improve the quality of life. For this purpose, a Center for Technology and Governance and labs for business analytics, trends, scientometrics, data science, big data analytics, and many other research centers have been set up. In March 2015, ITU proudly announced its first robotics expo, Machines of the Future, which is now a biannual event. In 2016, ITU introduced the Lincoln's Corner at its campus. Lincoln's Corners are partnerships between the United States and public libraries, universities, and community centers in Pakistan. Students of ITU have benefited from this facility immensely. In February 2017, ITU introduced edX on campus. This is a first in higher education in Pakistan. edX is the world's largest online course provider. Integrated with ITU's existing courses, the platform offers the best of global education to Pakistani students.
The online interactions I had with the community TAs were very helpful, and it made my learning crystal clear.
Now, ITU students can access 10 million ebooks through a digital library. In November 2017, ITU hosted Pakistan's first international conference on information communication technology development. Around 300 researchers and professors from around the globe participated in the event. Afkar-e-Taza, a unique literary festival organized by ITU, engages scholars and the general public in lively discussions about the latest research in the field of humanities, social sciences, and history.
MIT टेक्नोलॉजी रिव्यू पाकिस्तान के न्यूज़ स्टूडियो में खुशामदीद.
ITU has also launched MIT Technology Review in collaboration with the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in the United States, making the world's most credible technological publication available for readers in Pakistan. This is the story of ITU, which has done so much in the last 4 years, yet there is still a long way to go.